Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting the essential pieces ready and launching Caption AI so you can produce usable captions immediately. Sign in, then upload your file or paste the video URL. Choose the language and desired export format like SRT or VTT so outputs match your workflow. Next, pick an accuracy preset, fast for quick drafts, high for polished captions, and enable noise reduction if your audio has background hiss. Once done, start the transcription job and watch the progress indicator so you know when to proceed. You now move into detailed review and precise editing to make captions accurate and readable. Use the timeline editor to jump to timestamps and correct transcribed words directly in line, and make sure speaker labels and punctuation reflect conversational flow. Adjust caption length and reading speed so text stays on screen long enough. Split long lines and merge short ones to preserve context. Once done, apply batch replacements or add glossary terms to fix recurring issues and keep terminology consistent across the whole file. You finish by ensuring captions are synced and exported correctly so viewers get a smooth experience. Preview the final captions on desktop and mobile aspect ratios, then export either an embedded file or a sidecar. SRT/VTT depending on your platform. Make sure to test playback on multiple devices and players to confirm timing. If captions drift, use the offset tool or rerun alignment. When possible, reprocess only change segments to save time. If problems persist, clear
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.